All right, we're trying out the new Blizz of the month. Oh, we got Dairy Queen. Good job. All right, ready? Here we go.
That was close. That was a close one.
What it do, it's your boy Big Ben. We back again with something new. You already know if something new just comes out.
It's something new we gotta talk about.
You totally got it. You totally got it. All right, guys, how you doing? We just did a review from Dairy Queen. we checked out their rotisserie chicken bites. And Kaylee is like, she was sweating trying to do the little flip thing because she's like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. I guess you've never seen that, have you?
I didn't know.
So she did it. She was very excited about that.
Because the ice cream could have fell on my dress. Then we have to go back and do it. Ask for our money back.
That would be terrible. So guys, today we got something new from Dairy Queen. When we did that review, we saw they put up their marketing for their new Blizz of the month for January 2021.
And we didn't even wait for January, we just took it.
Yeah, we're here early with this stuff. So new Blizz of the month for January 2021 is the Brownie Dough Blizzard. Here's a quick 401. It has brownie dough, choco chunks or choco chunks? Chocolate chunks.
It's choco chunks.
Choco, yeah, until you mess it up. And cocoa fudge. Looks really good. Price tag for it.
Oh, just to tell, I need to tell them something. That if you
Okay.
if you try this, give us a thumbs up.
Yeah. So price tag for this is $4.39 for a medium. We got the medium. And you know, we respect the calories. Calories is 400 calories. There's nothing else to do but to do the review.
And I'm sorry if you're watching this and you're allergic to sugar.
Yeah.
Or dairy.
Sad days.
Probably don't watch this, otherwise it might break your heart.
Here's what it looks like, guys. Sorry, it is so bright. It'll be hard to see, but I'll show you another view of it. And we only have one spoon. So this is going to be a very interesting review. We may have to be... All right, let's do it, Kaylee. First bite of this Brownie Dough Blizzard. I'm excited. Holy cow. If there was a chocolate roller coaster, this is it. Oh.
It literally has brownies in it.
Oh, whoa.
What?
Wow.
Wow.
Remember our Baskin Robbins white chocolate review that like missed all the chocolate? This one is fully loaded.
I'm just getting a big bite.
Whoa, show the people. Look at that, guys. It's got brain freeze? All right. While you take care of that, let's give the people a bite. Get a bite, people. Check that out. Sorry, the focus out. There we go.
I'm just getting a napkin.
That looks
Be
good.
right back.
That looks awesome.
Oh my god.
You know,
Very
this is
bad decision.
so good. Really, really good. You can get that one. This is really good. I'm not a cookie dough fan, but this is awesome.
Brownies. They're brownies,
Oh.
Daddy.
Wait, no, cookie dough brownie, right? Yeah, brownie dough. Oh, I see you're saying, yeah. You're right, you're totally right. You got me. I was saying cookie dough, brownie dough. This is really good. Really, really good. Uh-oh. All right, guys. Got a picture. I'm really impressed by this.
I'm good. I'm good.
You're good? You back? Thoughts? Score?
10%.
What?
I already gave my score 10%.
What's your score?
10.
Oh, you said 10%.
Yeah.
10% is really low.
No, it's not.
You're pulling a daddy. The sugar's going to your brain. Yeah, guys, this is really, really good. It's full of flavor. Got chocolate chunks in it, like literally chocolate flakes. You got the cookie dough pieces in it.
And brownie, daddy.
Oh my gosh, you are so right. You got the brownie dough pieces in it. It's chocolate ice cream. What's not to love this thing? This thing is absolutely amazing. I gotta agree with you.
Don't eat a lot at one time.
I give it a, I can't go 9. I gotta give it a 10 too, because this is not something I would normally get, and I would absolutely get this again.
Absolutely. I'm just holding it so you can do your stuff.
Guys, that's the review. Make sure to check out our chicken rotisserie bites. You know, you kind of got the unhealthy thing. You know, if you have a little balance, a little moderation, or if you're ready for a treat, get this. But if you're on the healthy kick, if you're on the New Year's resolution, check out our rotisserie chicken bites while she has a brain freeze. Those are really good. So that's the review, guys. As always, if you liked the video, if you rock with us the whole time, please leave a like. Don't share it once, share it twice. Drop a comment. Let us know what you guys want to see next on something new. And whether you're a regular or a first timer, make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell reminder. We'll catch you guys next time.